Welcome to the Spotlight. It's a very special show that brings you face to face with the workers and great people of Prudential Life Insurance. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Justin, one of the great mascots and faces of Prudential Life globally and also in Ghana. And today we have some special person here. Most of you would like to know him.
Hi, Justin.
Hi. What do they call you? I don't know you.
You don't know me? Let me introduce myself. I'm Augustine Kwisidonko.
Great.
I've been with Prudential for the past 7 years.
Wow.
And I'm the head of IT. I manage the entire information technology infrastructure. So from IT security, because now you know your friends are there, those who want to hack us, right?
Exactly.
So we are interested in security. We're also interested in digital transformations. And with digital transformations, we do a lot of things to support our clients, our business partners. So basically, we do that and also support the rest of the business in terms of operations, in terms of marketing, in terms of so many things which happens in the business. We use technology to drive some of these initiatives.
Just Augustine. I almost called you Justin. Augustine and Justin. What a match. We all have 10 in our names, isn't it? Your role at Prudential Life Ghana is enormous. You must be a very busy man.
We try to find a balance between work and also, life as well. So we try.
Oh, that's wonderful. As we say in Ghana, you're a very big man.
But it needs to reflect in the pocket, right?
Exactly. And I can see that in your suit.
Is it reflecting in the suit?
I can see it also.
Okay.
That's nice. That's nice.
It's also
to
reflecting in your head as well, because
I represent a very big brand.
Oh, that's
so
why.
Of course it must reflect also.
That's why the economy is treating you well. I can see.
That's the insurance economy, isn't it? Augustine, tell me, did you ever think you would work in the insurance industry or even with Prudential Life?
The straightforward answer to your question is no. I've always wanted to be a priest.
Really?
Yeah.
A Catholic priest?
A Catholic one. I'm a Catholic. All my life. I wanted to be a priest.
So like a celibate priest?
Of course. We don't get married.
Exactly.
Yeah. But you know one thing, the fun thing is, we went to Cape Coast, Pedu, where the seminary is, and I saw the terms and conditions. I shook my head and I told myself, I can't do this.
You're a very honest man, my brother.
You're
very honest with yourself.
You need to be honest with yourself. I told myself, I can't do this. Maybe I'll try something else. And telling you a quick story, I met someone who sold to me an idea, and the idea was, we want to build a calculator for our insurance agents because they go around carrying papers. Can you do it for us? And that is how it sparked my interest into insurance. After that, I remained in general insurance before I moved to life insurance, where I've been with Prudential Life Insurance for the past years.
The fact that you were very honest about the fact that you cannot continue with seminary and becoming a priest, it now made you very nimble, flexible,
Exactly.
gave you a new opportunity with Prudential, which also represents another value of Prudential. So you are a real Prudential material, my brother. And I am also happy to learn that because of your interest to find solution to a problem, which is you listened, you understood, and then you try to deliver a need. And that is what entered you into the insurance industry. These are all part of values and the purpose of Prudential Life. And I'm so excited about this, meaning that you are the right fit for the job, my brother.
Thank you. No
Justin. Wonder your name rhymes with mine. So, let me also ask you another interesting question.
Mm-hmm.
At the time when you were being asked for that solution for the insurance agents, did you have an insurance policy before joining the insurance industry?
It was something I never wanted to hear.
Really?
If you should ask me. Yeah. So when he met me and he started introducing the whole idea and telling me the problem, I told him, I'm not sure, because the whole insurance thing, I'm not interested. But because I'm going to make money out of this, that is why I want to pursue this thing for you. So I had no insurance, from the onset. But after going through the process and delivering that solution to him, that sparked my interest, and I got my first insurance policy.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then you got to realize that insurance is not about money per se. Is that not so?
Of course. So it's not just about the money. There's always a need first. We craft policies around the needs, and once we see a need, we put in the policy. Then, once it's serving those needs to the client, we bring us the returns.
Oh, Oh, that's awesome. So
yes.
at this point that you are more of an IT person,
Yeah.
people talk about the digital space being the future, but the question I'm asking now is, what has data, IT, what you do, what has it got to do with insurance? Because people think, insurance is just collect money. When I need it, I come for it. What's all these IT things for?
Thanks so much for the question. This is one of the questions which I like answering, especially when it comes to the insurance industry. Just as you said, people think it's just about collecting money and throwing some products to clients just so people buy. And the introduction of digital transformations or technology into the industry has boosted it a lot, because if you look at the insurance industry, we collect a lot of data. So if you ask yourself, if you're able to apply technology to such data, what does it bring you? What are the benefits? If you harness all the capabilities of artificial intelligence, of data analytics, one, you'll be able to better understand your client, because the more you understand someone, the more you know what they need. Right?
Exactly.
So now you'll be able to bring up personalized policies, and not just selling the personalized policies to them, you also want them to remain, right?
Exactly.
Now that brings us to the subject of customer retention. So you realize that you know your customer, you've been able to craft products for them, which they've bought. At the end of the day, you are able to retain them. So customer experience is improved. So that is number one. Now, with insurance comes fraud, right?
Exactly.
There are a lot of fraud all over the place. And how can you tell fraud is happening if you are looking through a big pile of data? I'm sure, Justin, if I give it to you, you sit here for 3 days and you never go home because you are trying to detect fraud, right? But that is when technology comes in. Now you do what you call the claims analysis. Now through that, you're able to tell that these are indicators that fraud is happening. And you can only do that through technology.
Oh, right.
If you do the manual way, it can never happen. Now, one of the best things outside this, the first two I've mentioned, is automation and process improvement. If you look at the insurance industry, most of our processes have been pretty much manual.
Exactly.
From the new business simply means the sales process, very much manual. Some agents goes around carrying pieces of papers, trying to onboard clients, take their bio data here and there. Even when those information comes to those insurance companies, you realize that you have a huge back office staff. What do you think they do? Data capturing. And that is not efficient. Now, when the policies are sold, what do you think will happen? People begin to claim their benefits. Now you come in, you mention your name. Should we go through a pile of paper to search that you took this policy? No. So now technology will bring efficiency in the whole insurance process flow, from new business, claims, policy amendment, all through the channel, even through payment. Because, of course, insurance, you're interested in the money, right?
Exactly.
I'm not sure you want to walk to every insurance company and come in there you want to pay a 10 CD for your insurance premium, when you could sit in the comfort of your home and pay such money. And that is driven by technology. So these are some of the benefits. And tops all, technology in the insurance industry will let insurers take informed decisions.
Wow.
And that is very key. How do you take informed decisions? When you understand your data. How do you understand your data? You employ technology. So Justin, if you asked, I've just given you some few snippets.
Your few snipers sounds like a whole book, my brother.
Really?
You should write a book. Because there's a whole lot of knowledge that people do not know. I would like to just simplify all this by how I understood you. For instance, if I am on a policy that is taking, let's say, 500 cedis a month, and per the data analysis, realize that the person is not able to be consistent. Realize that, okay, perhaps this person would need a policy that's 200 cedis a month. You wouldn't know that if you don't have a way to capture that. And based on that, you can remodel the policy to fit the person's pocket.
Exactly.
I want to believe that is the reason you have Mekakrawa now on the market. So that is the whole idea, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's based on information.
Exactly. The information is there. If nobody is looking into such data, nobody will be able to make such personalized product and even let top management make such informed decisions.
Wow. You guys are doing great. And I think your role as an IT person is also a very critical role in this. Perhaps people should look at insurance differently and try and look at it in the way that comes to protect them and protect their future and that of their loved ones as well. I'm impressed. It's been nice listening to you and letting us into your small world where you do global and big things. But before you go, if you had a chance to tell someone about insurance and about what they can do with Prudential Life Insurance in Ghana, what would that be?
Thank you, Justin. what I would like to tell everyone is insurance is good. Take an insurance policy. It's never too early. It's never too late to take an insurance policy. Make sure you cover yourselves, your family, across all the various perils which you know you're exposed to, from accidents to critical illness to permanent or partial disabilities to hospitalization to death benefit. Just make sure that you take any of this just so you could cushion your family. Please, when you want to make that decision, make sure it's Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. Thank you.
Thank you, Augustine. It's been nice having you.